In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn capital letters into lowercase in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we need to do is just open up your Excel worksheet, and you can see here I have all of these names in capital letters. Now to convert these into lowercase, what you need to do is select an empty cell, press the equal sign, type in the word lower, open in bracket, and then select the first text in your row. Then we're going to enter close in bracket and hit enter. And as you can see, that's now converted this text from capitals into lowercase. Now, if you want to apply the same thing for the rest of the column, then all we need to do is select this first cell, select the icon in the bottom right hand side of the cell, and then you can just drag all the way downwards like this. And that's going to convert all of these other text names into lowercase. Now, if you want to convert lowercase letters into uppercase, you can do the exact same thing by typing in equal sign, upper, open in brackets, and then selecting the text like this, closing brackets and hit enter. And once again, you can see that we now have capital letters, and we can once again drag this cell all the way down the list, and that will convert all of our names back to capital letters. And that's it, guys. That's how you change your words from uppercase to lowercase in Microsoft Excel. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.